Yes, 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 we are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben. Welcome to my live stream. Today we're going to talk about, will Bitcoin go up to 6,000 this year, 2019? We're going to give some updates on the chart, and we're going to answer some questions. So if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button, because over here I only give you the facts. I don't lie. I don't hype things up. I don't believe in that, because I'm a full-time professional day trader, swing trader, day trader, financial markets, swing trade, crypto markets. If you want to learn more about that, how I'm able to do that, a person that never went to college, hit that subscribe button. If you are suffering from this down market, hit that subscribe button. If you don't know how to make money during this bear market, hit that subscribe button. Okay, during this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only. So shout out to everybody that's coming through. If you're watching that replay, guess what? You can speed up the time or speed up the video by hitting settings 1.5, 2, and you can speed up the video by watching it that way. So shout out to everybody that's coming in. Let me give you guys a round of applause real quick. We're going to look at this chart. We're going to see if this is bullish. And we're going to answer some questions. So let's pop out this chat room real quick, and we're going to go to CoinMarketCap first, and then we're going to go to the chat room. So right now, we see some green. XRP is the biggest percentage right now I'm looking at, but overall across the board, everything is green slightly, nothing crazy. One digits, except for XRP, that 2 digits, but nothing else. Okay. Bitcoin Diamond is at 52.6. The market cap is at 116. And they're slowly trying to see what's going on with that $100 billion mark. They're trying to defend that mark. All right. We will see what's going to happen, soon. But let's go to this chart real quick. All right. So let's go to this chart. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. So right now, what I see, okay, we talked about this the other day. Okay, all I see is a slow grind down. Okay, most of you guys that don't know how to read the charts, you're gonna get happy every time you see a green bar. All right, I see a lot of trolls come in, say, hey man, ha ha ha, the market's going up. It's only for a day or two, okay, or even a week. So what? Who cares? This is, another up move, okay, and all I'm seeing, and we talked about this before, is a slow bleed down. All right, up move down, up move down, eventually until it hits that 32, 31 mark. And then we're probably going to see a bigger bounce from that. Maybe not too big, but probably a bigger one. All right. Everybody's going to say, hey, man, double bottom, blah, blah, blah. And then most likely it's going to continue to go back down and go below 3,000 and stop everyone out. The way I'm looking at this whole situation is it's hard to see Bitcoin not go down and test the lows to stop these guys that went long. Okay, it's very hard for me not to see that. It's just a slow grind down. You got to be patient. There's a lot of money to be made to the downside, a lot. Okay, just be patient. Drop. I'm looking for another drop. A drop. Yes, they can fool around. Yes, they can fool around in this area where they can maybe spike it up, okay, because you know how sometimes Bitcoin spike it up, but I don't think they want to do something like that. All right, even if they do spike it up, I'm guessing the most they'll probably do is 36. I don't think they want to go too crazy to the upside. I think they just want to slowly bleed this to the downside, and continue to go to that special level, which is the low, in this bear market. All right, so let's look at some more charts. Nothing special going on. Don't get hype. Don't let the news spark you, or get you excited. Just be a professional, okay? Be a professional over here, and just take it day by day. So let's go to these other charts, and let's see what's going on. Litecoin, same situation. If it comes back to this level, we probably gonna get it some type of head and shoulders, but we'll see. Let's look at Ethereum. And shout out to everybody that's that using their we call that chart reading skills to make money in other markets too. Shout out to you guys, because crypto market is cool, but there's other markets too. Okay, so shout out to my students that's using their skills to make money in other markets. Let's go to Litecoin. Actually, we went to Litecoin already. Let's go to, I don't know. Let's go to Bitcoin Cash. Sheesh. All right. So I mean, all these pops, if you look at them, to me, it looks weak. So don't get too hyped. Breakout, pull back. That's all it looks like. All right, and let's go to the big winner for today is XRP. I know a lot of these XRP guys are hyped. I didn't really look at the video, so I'm not too sure what the XRP dudes are saying, but I know for a fact they're hyped, and I know for a fact that they probably think this is the bottom, and we're going to just skyrocket. Okay, but shout out to everybody that's here. Let me see if let's see if you guys have any questions, and we go from there. All right. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. And if you're tired of losing, hit that subscribe button. If you're tired of just seeing this bear market and you don't know what to do, hit that subscribe button right now as we speak. Over here, guys, I only give you guys the truth. I really don't care about hyping things up. What's going on, Davina, G Baker, Joseph, Dom, Dan, TJ? All right, what's going on, guys? Larry, all right, the Rook. XRP will disappoint 100%. Dom said, I told you. Larry said, you got the idea, brother. Just made 10 grand on XRP. Larry, let me ask you a question. Are you holding XRP or are you trading XRP? Okay, let me ask you that. Are you holding XRP or are you trading XRP? XRP is meth. Not mooning. Bear flag. What's going on, Swazza? JA. Shout out to everybody that's here. Peter, what's going on? They said I'm buffering a little bit. Guys, let me know if I'm buffering. Somebody said I'm buffering. Let me know if I'm buffering on your end too. Andrew, I don't know if you're trying to be sarcastic, but shout out to you, bro. Yeah, Larry, let me know, Larry. Are you trading XRP or are you holding it? What's going on, Edward? Hadouken is coming soon. Coming soon, a theater near you. In a theater near you. All right, but shout out to all you guys here. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Basically, we have an up move. I still don't get why a lot of people, still get hyped when they see 1 bar, 2 bars. I just don't see 2 green bars, 1. I mean, it's the same old nonsense. So most of you guys deserve to, you know, get, you know, see your account disappear because you fall for the same nonsense over and over and over. You need to step up your game and understand what's going on. Because every time Bitcoin goes down, your favorite coin goes down, you're crying. You're crying about manipulation and back not coming in, or the ETFs. You know, same old nonsense. So I'm looking at Bitcoin chart right now. It looks like a flag is forming, and you know, and they most likely they looking to break out this flag and go down more. All right. I don't really see anything bullish right now in the charts. Everything is weak and really no big players. All right. Someone said buffering a lot. I'm buffering a lot. Yeah, let me know if I'm buffering hard, you know. Let me know. All right, so yeah, guys. So right now, what we have here is basically a slow grind to the downside. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. The question of the day. The question of the day is, you know, will Bitcoin hit 6,000? Will Bitcoin hit 6,000 in 2019? Okay, that's the question of the day. You guys are still here? You guys are still here? Let me know. Is it buffering or not? Is it clearing up? Robert. So Robert said XRP moon. So Robert, you think XRP is gonna moon? See, Larry, I don't know if you're still here, Larry. But you're not answering the question. Because when someone says they're making money from XRP, I can probably guarantee you it's not a trade. It's just a hold, all right? Because someone told me, I remember someone told me, hey man, I made such and such from XRP. It doesn't matter because you're holding XRP. So if XRP goes down, you're not going to make it. So basically what I'm trying to say is you're not making money. You're not making money because you didn't sell. You didn't book the profits. The profits is not in your bank account. Robert, so you said in 10 years, what happened? What's going to happen in 10 years, Robert? What's going to happen in 10 years? You saying XRP is going to moon in 10 years? What's going on, Ripple Army? Darnell said, "What other good markets what other markets are good to for swing trading? Any market that basically moves pretty good. All right, we have the forex market. Okay, you have the forex. You have the commodities. All right, you have the index. indices. So you know, whatever markets that's moving. Okay, if you want to trade forex or crude oil or gold or silver, anything that's moving. So Robin said, who knows? You said who know? I can't have high hopes. So Robin, let me ask you a question though. Let me ask you a question. Are you all in? Are you all in XRP? Or do you have a lot of money in XRP? Robert. Dan said Larry is going to play with his imaginary 10 money. Yeah, exactly. See, a lot of people would, because you know, people come on because I remember I don't know, I think it was around here when the market was going up, and someone told me, yeah, man, I made this on XRP, but you're not making no money in XRP, because once it goes right back down, you know, your portfolio is going down. So you only make money, guys. Guess what? You only make money when you book it. Okay, if you're not booking your profits, if you're not taking your profits and selling, okay, and putting your profits in your bank account, you're not making money. So it doesn't matter if XRP went up today or Bitcoin went up today and you made 10 grand. Doesn't matter, bro. You didn't make nothing because you didn't take no money, because XRP or Bitcoin, any coin could go down tomorrow. Making money is actually booking profits. Okay. No, I got my money spread out. Okay. I hear you, bro. You know, Robert, you know, spread out in all cryptocurrencies. Let me ask you a question, Robert. Your money is spread out in cryptocurrencies or spread out in different markets? And the reason why I'm asking you these questions is because I'm trying to help you out. Because you seem like an okay guy. Okay, you seem like you're probably new to the space. You probably got caught up with the whole HODL and moon and, you know, all that craziness. So I'm trying to help you. Okay, I'm trying to help you. But you know, if you're new to my channel, if you have any questions, I've been doing this for 11 years. Okay, I do this full time. Shoot your questions. You know, type it in the chat box, and we go from there. All right. So the question of the day is, will Bitcoin hit 6K in 2019? Okay, will Bitcoin hit 6K in 2019? That's the question of the day. All right. And I don't think Bitcoin will hit 6K in 2019. Right now, it seems like we are forming another flag situation, right? And it looks like, you know, a slow bleed. And if it's not going to be next month, probably in March or so, you know, we could crash again and go to wherever number they want to go to. I really don't see 6,000 in 2019. I think they want to keep this market as low as possible. Not only that, I think the big dogs are pulling out right now. And also, I believe that they have to continue to go down to wipe out all these crap coins that, you know, that's in the system right now. So Robert said, what's going on, Richard? Richard said, Moon Boy's running well today. I know, right? So Robert said, all crypto. Yeah, Robert. So let me ask you a question, Robert. Okay, you know, you spread out. You say you spread out in all crypto. Let me ask you a question, Robert. Have you thought about another strategy instead of buying and holding? Have you thought about another strategy instead of buying and holding? Okay. So what I mean is, if you want to hold some coins, fine, you can do that. I'm talking about having another strategy, okay, that allows you to make money from the market. Because the reason why I'm doing this is because most new investors that come in this market, you know, they say moon this, moon that, you know, hodl, and they don't even look or try to look for other strategies or other ways to make money. Okay. And this is what I'm trying to help the new investors, you know. I'm trying to help these guys out, because if you only rely on buy and hold, it's going to be tough for you, because it's just going to be a waiting game, all right? You have guys like me, my students, or other people that knows how to read the chart. We're making money from the charts, okay? And we love it. So Robert said, I have thought about it, yes. So Robert, let me ask you a question, okay? What is stopping you right now? And the reason why I'm asking Robert, because I know there's a lot of people that's thinking like Robert right now. There's a lot of people that's thinking like Robert. What is stopping you right now, Robert, from learning about other ways to make money rather than just holding and waiting? Because what I'm trying to do is basically dissect, you know, the new investor's brain and trying to figure out how they think, so I can help them out, because I'm trying to figure out why some of you guys are either afraid or don't even take action. But right now, guys, what we're looking at is just basically another up move, all right? Another up move that basically decides to go down, right? Probably next week, 2 weeks from now, right? Because I'm always going to go with the major trend unless things start to change on the chart. So XRP has the ability to break, not yet, I would say maybe go back to the, you know, this line right here, maybe poke a little bit above here, or it might not even make it, okay? It might just go right back down. All depends on what Bitcoin wants to do. You have to be aware of this, because if you just think that this is the bottom, you're always going to get trapped. You said I know how to use crypto. I'm not talking about Binance, because Binance doesn't allow you to short. Okay, what I'm basically giving you or trying to tell you, Robert, is there's other ways to make money from the charts other than buying. Okay, you can short the market, and the reason why I think most people don't short the market, because they don't think it's going to continue to go down. That's why you have to learn how to read the charts, because every single time the market goes up, you think it's the bottom. And next week or next 2 weeks, we go right back down. What I'm telling you is, I'm looking at the chart right now, and it doesn't look like any bullish sign right now. Okay, it's a slow grind down. I'm looking for a continuation to the downside, and that's it. If Bitcoin is going down, every other coin is going to follow Bitcoin. Nothing special. Don't think that any coin is special and it's going to separate from Bitcoin. You know, I don't think that's going to happen. All right. A lot of people are seeing charts like this, right, where these moon boys are creating their own charts and telling you that 2020 is going to be the best year, ever, where we're gonna moon up. They making these perfect charts that don't mean anything. Okay, and these are the same people that been wrong last year, been wrong this year. They're gonna be wrong next year. Why are you gonna listen to guys like that? That these guys are not professionals. They don't do this full time, right? Learn how to read the charts. Anybody that's on my live stream right now, learn how to read the charts. It's going to save you money. It's going to help you make money, and just what it is. All right. But thanks a lot for you guys coming in. Let me give you guys another round of applause. If you guys have any more questions, type it in. If not, we can close this out early. But I hope you guys are studying and trying to understand how the market works. All right. Just because everyone is bearish doesn't mean that the market is going up. Okay. You have to look at the bigger picture. Just because everyone is bearish doesn't mean it has to do the opposite. It doesn't work like that. Okay. If the major trend is to the downside, it doesn't matter if everybody on earth thought the market was bearish. It will continue to go down because the momentum is to the downside. All right. Yes, we will have temporary up moves just to shake you out, but for the most part, it will continue to go down. Okay, until they hit a certain number. What I don't know the number is. I don't know what number they want to hit, but until they hit a certain number, that's when you're going to see the real bounce, and we go from there. But right now, these weak bounces, it's not really saying nothing, all right, at all. Actually, let me ask you guys right now. Anybody on this live stream think Bitcoin will hit 6K in 2019? Anybody think that Bitcoin will hit 6K in 2019? That's on this live stream. If you do think it will, just state your reason why. Let me know why. You say you're looking to bet on Super Bowl. What team you going for, Ripple Army? What team you going for, Ripple Army? You going for the Rams? Let me see if I missed any questions. What's going on, Pac-Man? You said BitMEX is the way to play in this market without a doubt. Yeah, the best way to play this market is to be a swing trader. Okay, those are the guys that's winning. The swing traders that's winning. Okay, nobody else in this market is winning except for the swing traders. Okay, the guys that's looking at the market and playing the swings. Okay, playing the swings, understanding how to read the charts, understanding how to play the swings. Not the guys that's holding and waiting and hoping. I don't say it, but there is a change. It could happen. I don't say it. You say you don't see it, but there is a change. It can happen. Yeah, anything can happen. Okay, I just don't see 6K this year. Right now the chart is telling me continuation, and we'll see. 6K in 2000, no. It might hit 6K just to dump again. Resistance is just a massive bull trap. Yeah, I mean, we can do that. it's just that if it does hit that 6K and decides to go down, it's going to be too obvious to go down unless they decide to just dump this whole thing. Tether blows up, you know. But I think they want to keep this thing as low as possible. I don't see the catalyst, but that's also no, okay. The Rook said maybe at the end of the year going into 2020. The thing with that is, you know, most likely will continue to go down. So, you know, I don't know, bro. It's just hard to see. I mean, anything is possible, but it's hard to see. Litecoin having in the past drove Bitcoin up also. So basically, who knew? You trying to say that in 2020 we're gonna have a bull move? And they were saying that Bitcoin would hit 50K by the end of this year. I know, that's true. 50K. I mean, 50K, sheesh. That's like, 50K is all the way up here, guys. It's like all the way up. I mean, for us to go to 50K, I mean, we have to have a lot of people behind us. And right now, I don't see that. I just don't see that right now. I think we go down from 3,600. I hear you, bro. Yeah, 2020. Everybody thinks the moon is going to be 2020. These are the same guys that, you know, don't understand nothing. They just think that things is going to go up just because some special event, you know. Guys, I don't care about a special event. I just want to see the chart. If the chart is telling me it looks like we're going up, then hey, man, you know. But if the chart is not telling me that, then I'm going to stick, you know, with the chart. I'm not going to say, hey, man, in 2020, you know, we're going to moon up. That doesn't make any sense. That's why these guys are not professionals. I mean, if you really think about it, that's why these guys do not do this full time. Because they have, you know, this type of thinking. Like, you can't be a professional and say things like that. That's why if you're buying the bottom right now, stop it right now. Stop buying the bottom. Okay? Stop buying dips. Stop buying bottoms. Wait to see confirmation before you do anything. I don't want to see you guys lose your hard-earned money. Yeah, XRP is going up. Okay, it's pumping. So you know what that means, guys. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Okay. XRP pumping. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Okay. That's exactly what it means. You know, I'm here to tell you guys, this up move right here, that went up to like what, 78 cents, 79 cents. This is not bullish at all if we pulled back 98%. Okay, we pulled back 98% of that whole move right there. That's not bullish. Okay, so that tells me, you know, it's a strong chance we will continue down to break these lows. Fabian said, "Hey Ben, will you do a special on your course on this live feed?" Yeah, shout out to you. Honestly, I forgot all about it. Okay, I forgot all about it, about my course. But if you want to get this course, check it out. Actually, get it right now. If you don't know how to make money from the markets, all right, this course will show you how to make money in the bear market and the bull market, the best of both worlds. Right now, you see $150 on the live stream, but the original price is $300. So don't think that the price is $150. No, it's not. When I get off a live stream, it goes right back to $300. So I don't want you guys to email me and say, "Hey man, why is that $300?" Because this is only on live stream. So if you guys want it, take advantage of it right now. It will show you how to make, it will show you how to make money during the bull and the bear market, and also it will teach you when to get in, when to get out. I have testimonials, all the good stuff. If you have any questions, let me know, and it comes with a Discord room. So this is for you, Fabian. I believe I'm saying your name right, Fabian. This is for you, and anybody else that wants it. So when you said when, I don't know, Pac-Man. I don't know. Because I think we have a lot of room. Are you talking about Bitcoin, or are you talking Pac-Man? You talking about Bitcoin, or are you talking about XRP? The Rook said, "I agree with you to some extent, but if for 300 years the chart have done the same, there's a good." So let me ask you a question, the Rook. 300 years, what chart you talking about? 300 years, okay? Because I'm quite sure you're not talking about Bitcoin, because it's not, it's just been around for what, 10 years? So let me know what market you're talking about. You're saying 300 years. Okay, and also let me know, you said you agree with me to some extent. What exactly do you agree with? Jamal said, "No way we hitting. Are we in a recession?" Yeah, we definitely are in a recession. Even though the stock market is going up right now, don't let these guys fool you. Okay, the stock market doesn't represent what's really going on in the world. The stock market is just it's just a fairy tale. All this stuff is just fake. But we had a nice little pump today. Nice little pump, S&P. So we are going up. We are going up. So this baby could continue to go up, all right? And just because we're going up doesn't mean that we are not in a recession. All right. So it's just what it is. And Fabian, I believe I'm saying that name right. If you get the course, let me know, because I need to send you that Discord room. All right. Who else? Let's go back. Tricky said it's impossible to predict the bottom, but I will accumulate somewhere between 32. So let me ask you a question. Why would you accumulate at 32, 1500 if it's impossible to predict the bottom? Let me know. Let me know. Let me ask you, why would you do something like that? Well, BTC. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know when they want to, dump this thing. We'll see. So who knew said the bottom is 25 to 2700 range. Who knew? Please let me know why you think the bottom is 25. Oh man, come on guys. So the Rook said just charts in general tend to repeat the same patterns. BTC repeated the same patterns. The difference, Rook, all right, the difference, and I basically be trying. I was trying to explain this to my subscribers this year, but some of you guys, I don't know if you guys was listening, but the difference between this market and other markets is this market is unregulated market. All right. I think some people still forget that this market is an unregulated market. I still think most of you guys forget that. That's why you have to be real cautious. Okay? When I trade this market, bro, I'm not trading it to the point where I'm falling in love with a coin, okay? Because I know any moment something could happen. That's the difference, the Rook. So I'm not looking at this like, things will repeat itself and, things will just continue to go up forever. I'm looking at it as I'm looking at the bigger picture, and I'm looking, why did we go down last year? There's multiple reasons why we went down last year. We had the ICO bubble. A lot of coins are not worth, these prices right here. You have the government, coming in and basically cooling things down. So it's a lot of things that's behind the scenes. The reason why Bitcoin and these other coins are going down. And I told you before, or I told my subscribers before, me personally, I don't like what I see when it comes to the cryptocurrency world right now. Okay. When I first got into the crypto world, I was all for it. I love crypto. I love the idea behind it. But at the same time, when I'm seeing the government coming in, when I'm seeing Wall Street trying to come in, I second guess myself and say, you know what? This is not what I signed up for. I didn't sign up so the government could regulate, cryptos and, coins like this, because it wasn't designed for that. So when I see the big dogs coming in and the government coming in, then I have to, be cautious in how I think. Most of you guys won't understand what I just say, but it's okay. Shout out to everybody that's here. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. If you're tired of losing, hit that subscribe button. If you don't know what's going on, hit that subscribe button. If you don't know how to make money during this bear market, hit that subscribe button right now. Okay? Let's go back to these questions. How high do I think XRP will go? I don't know, bro. I mean, it's pumping right now. I mean, honestly, it could break. It could go up and break. It can go up and break this. We call this triangle, just to get a lot of people excited, or it could just stop right here and just reverse. I'm not too sure. Okay. Yo, Ben, another successful week. J-Nug, 13%. Let me give you that ka-ching button, bro. Shout out for you making that money. That's what's up, man. Making that money on those stocks. The Rook, all right. I don't think you understand what I'm saying, bro. I really don't think you understand what I'm saying. Okay. I didn't say that we went down because the government came in. I said we going down, okay, for multiple reasons. Listen to what I'm saying, okay? We going down for multiple reasons, okay? We had a pump, all right? First of all, the market was unsustainable. There's no way the market could continue to go up like this. So this is based on ICO pumps, CNBC pumping this market, all this crazy pumps going on, all right? And then we have the government cracking down, okay? I don't care what anyone says. When the government steps in and say, hey, bro, you can't promote these ICOs no more, or you have to have some type of whatever to promote ICOs, okay? That's going to affect the price, right? And then we have other reasons why, okay? That's why you see a lot of big dogs selling at the top. Big Connect went at the top, okay? Big Connect crashed at the top. Charlie Lee sold at the top. That guy from Apple sold at the top. So it's a lot of reasons why, this market is going down. And what I'm trying to say, okay, like I said, I don't expect you to understand or trying to get what I'm trying to say, okay? I know I'm talking to, investors that don't understand how the game works. So I know when I come on live stream, I'm going to have a lot of people laugh at me or, shake their head just because they don't, they think I'm talking nonsense. But, this is the game I play every single day. And what I'm trying to say is, bro, I didn't sign up, okay, for a crypto market, okay, that allows the government to come in. I didn't sign up for that. Okay, maybe you want to sign up for that. Maybe the crypto market want to sign up for that. I didn't sign up for that, bro. Because I know once the government comes in, okay, and they put their little regulations on, bro, it messes up everything. It's just how it works, right? Let's go back to these questions. Ben, what trading platform do you use to make trades? Are you talking about the crypto market? I use jaffax.com. I use another platform. Just email me. And if you guys want the day trading one, okay, this shows you how to make money daily from the futures market. Okay, so I trade the futures market too. All right, crude oil, S&P 500, Nasdaq, the Dow. Crude oil, silver, gold. So you have different products like that. And if you have the crypto course already, you get a discount. Okay, so you get a discount. You don't have to pay the full price. You still get a discount. If you want to check that out. But just email me if you want that discount. Let me see here. By the same time, what is the stock market? The same thing, only regulated, controlled by 2%. I don't know what you mean by that. I mean, I don't know what question or what I was talking about. You said, what is the stock market? I don't get what you're trying to say. Please explain yourself. Sponzy said, sorry, but this channel sucks. So why are you on my live stream? Okay. Just because I'm not talking about the moon and we going up to 50K, doesn't mean that, the channel sucks. It just means that you can't figure out how to make money. Okay. Let's go back to these other questions. You said I purchased both of your courses. I'm trying to find a crypto progress. Yeah. So email me, bro. What's going on? WOA. Email me. You have my email address? Let me know. Okay. Email me right now. Email me right now. All right. Email me right now. Edward Park said that's not nice. It's all right. Edward Park, you have to understand that I get a lot of trolls, okay? And these are the same trolls that come on my live stream every time they see a green bar. It's another, ending pattern, okay? Every time we go up for one day or two, you have the same trolls that come on my live stream talking nonsense, all right? But these are the same trolls that's down 80%, 90%, and they losing money. Okay, these are the same trolls that's broke. Okay, these are the same trolls that's broke, because if you are a winner and if you are a person that likes to make money now, NOW, bro, this is the channel for you. That's why I know he's a broke loser. That's how I know. Okay, losers hang with losers. It's just what it is. Winners hang with winners. Yeah, so email me right now, bro. Sponsor said the people ask you something and you say I don't know. Bro, get out of here, man. They asking me for the bottom and you want me to tell them the bottom, bro? Get this guy out of here, bro. Someone asked me when's the bottom and I say I don't know, and that's why the channel sucks. Man, bro, I mean, you see what I'm talking about? You see what I have to deal with, guys? Losers like that. Anyway, guys, so if you guys have any more questions, let me know, guys. If you guys have any more questions, let me know. If not, we can continue this tomorrow or another day. But shout out to everybody that's on this live stream that's looking to take your trading or investing to the next level. Let me give you guys a round of applause. All right. Yeah, he's a loser, Dom. He's a loser. Definitely a loser. So be careful, guys, with this Bitcoin chart. All I see is continuation to the downside, a slow grind to the downside, and that's it. All right, that's all I see. A sloppy chart that's just going down. But guys, guess what? You can make money from that. You can make money from that. If you guys don't know how to do that, just, get the course or email me, whatever. WA say you just email me. Okay, so when I get off this chat room, live stream, I will respond to your email, bro. And shout out to you, Swazzer, for getting that guy out of here, because that guy's a loser. Because if someone asks me the bottom, or I think Dom asked me how far XRP will go, and I say I don't know. See, that's why, guys, this is why most people will lose when it comes to the markets, period. Like, it's not even just crypto, it's just the markets, because you have people like him think that technical analysis supposed to tell you the future. Like, technical analysis doesn't tell you the future, right? What technical analysis allows you to do is allows you to go in the market, allows you to see the bigger picture, right? And allows you to take setups, right, along with the bigger picture. So what that simply means is, if I zoom out and I'm on a daily chart, right, and I see the major trend, the bigger picture, all right, is downside, the major trend is to the downside, all I'm doing is looking for short opportunities to short the market and make money, okay? All I have to do is wait for high quality setups, and that's it. It has nothing to do with telling you Bitcoin is going to bottom at 1,000 or Bitcoin is going to 50K by the end of this year. It has nothing to do with that. Okay, that's why most people will always lose, because they listen to people on the internet and CNBC, and these people trying to sound smart, trying to tell you the future. No one knows the future, right? And if they did, trust me, they wouldn't tell you. All right, they wouldn't tell you the future. We, as in retail traders, we are retail traders. Okay, we don't have the edge like these other guys. Okay, these other guys. That's why I laugh at people when their whole strategy is based on news. Okay, news is not it's not going to teach you anything, because the news that you get is watered down. Okay, because you have to understand, the big dogs, they have access to the real news, right? And basically, when you get the news, it's late. It's too late, all right? So it doesn't matter what news you look at. We don't have an edge. As a retail traders, as the little guys, we don't have an edge. The only edge that we have is to follow the big dogs, all right? Whatever the big dogs is doing. Right now, the big dogs is selling this market, all right? Selling this market. Look at the coin market cap, down to 116. That's not little people selling, bro. That's the big dogs selling, because we was at 835. That's $700 billion lost, gone, bye-bye. That's not little guys like us. That's the big dogs selling. So you have to follow the big dogs, all right? That's if you want to make consistent money. That's if. Some of you guys don't want to make consistent money. You just want to work for your boss forever, all right? If you want to make consistent money and not work for a boss and have that 9 to 5 until you're 65 years old, well, you have to follow the rules, okay? You have to stick to a certain plan, okay? You just can't just wing it and say, hey, man, the bottom is coming soon. That's not a strategy. Learn how to read the charts, and you'll be okay. Let's go back. Charles said, "You're right, Ben. The charts don't lie, even when it tells us." Yeah, exactly, man. What's going on, Edward? Edward. If you're long XRP, Edward. You're long XRP. Anybody that's long right now, of course, I'm not giving you financial advice, but you know, if it was me, I would look to take some profits. All right, don't get caught up because I think a lot of these moves is going to be short-lived, and most likely we're going to continue to go down. All right, so guys, right now, I'm probably going to cut this short. Okay, just watch out, please. Try not to get caught up with the hype. Most of you guys probably think the bull market is coming 2020. That's why you're buying the dips. I forgot who said that they buying, and he still didn't answer me. Let me see if he. Let me see. Someone said they was buying between 1100 and who knew. No, that wasn't who knew. It was Trikey. So you still didn't answer me, and if you did, I didn't see it. You said you're accumulating between 3,200 and 1,500. Okay, and I asked you why, and I'm guessing your answer was history of the chart. What does history of the chart means? I mean, that's the reason why you're buying at those levels. Because you have to understand, if you accumulate at those levels, that doesn't mean that's the bottom. Okay, that's why I'm trying to help you guys out. I know some of you guys want to catch the bottom because you think that bull market is coming next year because your favorite YouTuber told you it's coming next year. I understand that, okay? And it sounds good. Like literally, like most of these YouTubers, they are very good when it comes to making you believe that something's going to happen. Trust me. I used to fall for the hype too, okay? When I started out, okay? But listen, guys, it's all hype. No one knows nothing, all right? No one knows if the bull market is coming tomorrow, next year, 2020, 22, 5 years from now, 10 years from now. No one knows nothing. So by saying that you want to accumulate at those numbers, honestly, I think that's reckless, all right? I think that's reckless, and I think you should study the market, understand how it works, and look for a different strategy that will allow you to make money instead of lose money, okay? Because accumulation only works if you're going with the direction of the market, okay? We are in a bear market, and this bear market could be brutal, all right? Not only brutal to the downside, but it could be brutal to the point where it goes nowhere for years, all right? So your money will be stuck, all right? And you can't really do anything because you don't want to get out, because if you get out, you'll lose a lot. So honestly, that's to me is a dangerous game, and there's other ways to make money, bro. Other ways to make money. You just have to be open, right? You have to be open, bro. But Leo said, "Love your knowledge, bro. Hats off to you, being humble with the idiots." Thanks a lot, bro. Let me give you a round of applause for that. So you said I will buy if I see short ups. All right. So if you're taking shorts and you're trading and you're making money, hats off to you. Like, I definitely love that. Okay. Because I don't want anyone that's looking at my live stream only buying the dips and that's it. Like, I don't want you to do that, bro. I want you to understand that there's other opportunities out here. So shout out to you, Triken. Shout out to you, saying that if you see short setups, you will still take them. Okay, that's what I want to hear. Okay, that's what I want to hear. Because, you know, if you're just hodling and you're waiting for that bear market, honestly, it'll make you depressed, man. I'm telling you. But anyway, guys, shout out to everybody that's here, about to watch some sports, you know, basketball maybe. You know, I hope you guys are studying. Honestly, I really hope you guys are studying, because even while I'm watching basketball, bro, I have my laptop right next to me looking at some charts, all right? So I don't play no games when it comes to this stuff, bro. This is what I do. I eat, sleep the charts, all right? I eat, sleep the charts, all right? Looking for opportunities, looking for, you know, other ways to make money from the charts. You know, it's just it's just life, bro. It's how I live. All right. I want you guys to make the charts life too. Okay, because honestly, guys, the charts saved my life, changed me. It actually gave me the ability to do this full time. Right. I make anywhere to 1 to 5K a day, and I love it. All right. It's a life-changing, you know, thing, and I want you guys to experience it too. But at the end of the day, you got to be open, okay? I can't force anyone. If you guys have any questions, you can email me, you know. But shout out to everybody. Let me give you guys a round of applause. Yeah, shout out to you, Triken, man. And anybody that's new to my channel, hit that subscribe button right now. If you want to learn from a professional. Shout out to you, Swazzer. Shout out to Edward, all you guys, all right? Dom, Peter, WAO, I'm going to email you. Davina, The Rook, everybody that's here, man. Shout out to all you guys. Dan, anybody that's here, bro. All right, so I'm going to talk to you guys later, and we will continue this conversation either probably tomorrow or another day. All right, but just be careful. I definitely see Bitcoin, you know, just continue to go down just slowly, bro. Probably the next drop. It could be the next drop we go down to. Let me see. Yeah, so the next drop could be the drop where we go down to 3,200. Okay, 3,200. It could be the next drop. So just be careful. All right. Let me zoom out real quick. Yeah, so I can see that next drop. We can go down to that 3,200, and, you know, we take it from there. Talk to you guys later, and have a great night, guys.